Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
You gotta stay tuned for what comes with this view.
Beachy Beach.
Check it out. You've
Right.
got the lake and the Gulf of Mexico just
Right there.
not even a block away.
Right there. Yeah.
Yeah, so close, so close. Gorgeous home in this gated community on the west end of the beach at Jamaican Lakes.
Yes.
I can't wait to hear all about it. Heather, take it away.
Let's go inside and let's check it out. So look at all this expansive space. You could create whatever you'd like. And what I also love is you can design it as your own. It's a clean palette. It's beautiful and pristine in here. This area is shown as a formal dining, but you can make it an office, another sitting space, whatever you'd like, and it's looking over the water. And if you're half mermaid like I am, then that would be perfect. You've also got the kitchen and a little eat-in area for you. So just you can make this perfectly yours. Now, let's go check out some of these bedrooms. So you've got this expansive ensuite in this large master that's on the single level. It's perfect. You've got 3 bedrooms upstairs, but the master is on bottom, and that's what you want. You can walk right out to the water view, which you know I love, but that's quintessential Florida. That's what we need, right? So you've got 3 bedrooms upstairs, as well as one of the bedrooms has this great little hide space. You can make it a bigger closet. You can make it a little office, whatever your heart desires. It's just got some little extra storage space up there that maybe that would fit for you. You've also got a landing as soon as you get up there. So you've got 3 bedrooms, a full bath, and that landing, so much space. It's perfect. And I can't forget to mention, there is another guest bath on the bottom level for your guests. So they don't have to get into your personal space. And you know, it's got my favorite, shiplap, of course. So this home is just perfect. Keep looking at it. So for more information, look in the details below. You've got the listing link, get the pricing, the square footage, extra photos, all the things.
All the good stuff. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future Panama City Beach deals like this one.